Hello everyone and welcome to Adam Shah Weekly. I just wanted to let you know that I have published my small book on SwiftUI. It's actually called SwiftUI for the rest of us. It's not completed yet. I'm still working on the book, but there are a couple of chapters that are available. If you have already used my video course and wanted to read about this, that is great. The book is available completely for free, and you can download it from the link in the YouTube description. You can see it shows you how to get started with Swift and dive into lists and navigation, which shows you how to display a list with different custom objects as well as for each loop or for each component, which allows you to create headers and so much more. And then at the end, it dive into navigation. There are some chapters that I'm working on right now, which is data flow in SwiftUI applications. But I really hope that you enjoy the book, and the book link is in the YouTube description. Along with the YouTube description, I also have a course on Udemy, which is also in the YouTube description. So this book is actually a very small part of that particular SwiftUI Udemy course. So if you like it, go ahead and purchase my course also. And thank you very much, and I really hope that you enjoy the book.